Filmpje begint nu. Okay, a quick recap from where I am. Yesterday I took off the carburetor. I'm holding it now in my hand, upside down. And as you see, those yellowish things, floats, are moving. They were not when I found it first. So I think I have found one reason for the excessive fuel consumption of this bikey, which was always almost taking as much fuel as my car. And that car is 9 times heavier and 5 times more powerful. So something was wrong, and it was the floats, which are still not as I would like them, but I can't figure out how they should be, because I can't find on the whole internet any instructions on how to adjust your float and float bow. Hey, on a Bing carburetor. To be precise, it's Bing 8430/110. 8430/110. Anybody who knows how to adjust this float, please tell me. I want to know. My guess is that I should end up with the line of the float as well equal to the line of the float bow. That's my guess. But as like I said, I can't find any instructions on what it should be. Next, chain has been taken off. I'm now working on the electrics. Once that is done, I'll start taking out the engine, which of course starts in the upper hell. So, this is what is left. The engine is come out. I've parked it back in her usual spot. I just remembered in time before I cover the bike up to make a quick, short movie. She is dirty in extremes. Right. But that's not the hardest thing to fix, of course. There's hardly any rust issues. This is the most serious one, which is, well, looking pretty bad possibly, but it's actually only surface rust and contained by leaking grease also, so well, I don't fear it at all. This is what what the frame looks like after 18 years of structural neglect. It's not bad, I think, for a former communist bikie.